I am going to show you guys how to make cheese paste sandwich. Just like they make it back in the days when you're going on a school trip on the road. All you need is some white bread, right? And I have 12 slices of white loaf bread. And here I have some carrots. I have some grated carrots, that is, grated cheese. We have some butter. We have some mayonnaise. We have a little bit of onion, and I'm going to put all of this in the description box, all the ingredients. A dash of black pepper and a squirt of mustard. That's all you need for this great recipe. So let's try making this recipe. So what you're going to do, you want to combine all of the ingredients together. Add a squirt of yellow mustard. A dash of black pepper. And you keep on combining. Simple. Even the smallest child could prepare this. It's very tasty. It's rich and very flavorful. Smell good already. You want to mix it until it reaches this consistency. Now you take a slice of bread. Simple, isn't it? And you want to cut off the crust. You have a sharp knife. You cut the crust off. Now you want to make sure you get the ends, the crust out. You like this? Sometimes you have a little brown spot. You just take your knife and you cut it off. And then you cheese paste sandwich coming from your girl Andrea's Trini kitchen. See you again with another great video. This is your girl Andrea saying, be safe out there. Bye.